My name is Albert Rito. I work at New Tech. It's a machining company for the oil field, and I'm a machinist. I decided to become a machinist because I can remember working 2 jobs and I was just feeling like I needed more. I needed something else. I ended up choosing machining, even though I didn't know what it was at the time. But once I got into class, I started seeing, man, I really like this. I love the lathe machine. To me, the whole process is just art. My training at Sewella was about 6 months. 2 weeks after I graduated, I had me a job. That was wonderful. The fact that I like my job, I love my job. You have different materials that you work with, so what you worked on yesterday, you might have to do different things, even if you're building the same thing. If it's different material, then you're gonna end up changing some things with it. You might have to go faster, you might have to go slower, you might have to apply more force to it. Like I said, every day is you picking up more knowledge. My experience at Sewella was just a blessing. I mean, they were very supportive. My advice to anyone that's considering a career being a machinist would be to just be positive whenever you're in the class, keep pushing and taking all the knowledge that the instructor is giving you.